Hello everyone, welcome to the QA Automation with Sony channel. So the today playlist we will discuss how we can integrate our Selenium project which is stored into the GitHub with Jenkins. So the Jenkins is already installed into my system. If you guys want to video on how we can install Jenkins in our system and how we can manage plugins in that Jenkins, so please comment into the comment section. If I got a comment, then I will create a one more video regarding this Jenkins installation and manage plugins. So once the Jenkins is installed in our system, we will see there is a one URL where our Jenkins server is available. So this is the URL where we have a Jenkins server is available. So this 88 is the port number. On this port, our Jenkins server is available in my system or in web. So yeah, so you can see this is the dashboard of my Jenkins once this Jenkins is installed. So what I need to create a one pipeline. So what I will do, I will click on this new item. So initially we will see only freestyle project. So for this maven project we need to manage plugins. Okay, we need to add a plugin into our Jenkins. So as of now I will let you know how we can add plugins. So I will I have already created a maven project. So this is the project I have already created, maven project. So click on configure. So yeah, it's loading just a minute. Yeah, once we have created a new item with a maven project, so there are some fields which we need to fill. So inside description you need to give the pipeline name, means what this job will do. So I have give the description. Second step is source code management. So my project is available inside the Git repo. So I will select a Git one. So and this Git will be come after the once I add the plugin into the Jenkins. I will let you know how we can add this Git plugin and Maven project plugins and Cucumber remotes plugin. I will be let you know at the end of the means once this job is created, I will let you know at the end of the video. Okay. So yeah, you can see this is the repository URL. So here I need to give the URL of my repository which is available here. So I just need to copy paste the HTTPS URL and put inside this repository URL. So this is a public, so no need to give a credential things. Okay, and this is a master branch. And the next step is the build setting. So inside build setting, this root POM. So where it is the heart of our Selenium project, from where we will execute our Selenium script. So here we need to give the path of the pom.xml file. So it is already present into that path only, this repo only. So no need to give an external path, just give the pom.xml. And this is the main thing, like this is the maven command which we need to give to execute our script through the Jenkins. So clean install, what it will do, it is a maven command which will clean and build and test and deploy our Selenium project. This is the important step. So make sure like this build and this source code management and this description, this is the mandatory things. And the next step is post build action. So once our script is executed, what is the post action? So I have selected the Cucumber reports. It is also a plugin. So yeah, once our this build is means executed successfully, we will see the plugins here. So I have saved it. Okay. So yeah, so this job is created successfully. The next step is I will let you know how we can add the plugins. Okay, so go to the dashboard, go to the manage Jenkins, and inside manage Jenkins we will see plugins. So what I will do, I will can install the plugins from here, available plugins. So I have already installed, so I will let you know what is the plugins I have installed. So for the inside the inside the source code management, we are able to see Git, right? So I have installed Git plugin, and for the post build action Cucumber report, I have installed this Cucumber report plugin, and for Maven command and Maven integration, Maven project integration, I have installed this Maven integration plugin. So these three plugins I have already installed in my, means I have already plugged with my Jenkins web server. Okay. And one more setting you need to do before execute our build, otherwise it will get some errors. So like again go to the manage Jenkins and go to the tools. So here we need to integrate the Java runtime JDK file and Maven. So you can see here this is a JDK integration. So what I will do, I will give a JDK 11 and path of the JDK 11 which is present in my system. So this is the prerequisite for the execute our Selenium project through the GitHub. So this thing you need to do, otherwise it will give an error. So this you need to give the path of JDK 11 file inside this tools, and the second is Maven. So this thing you need to do before execute the script. Okay, and yeah, so once this thing is done, you are able to execute the build jobs. Okay, so let's go to the dashboard, and here you can see this is the job which I have created for my project. So go to this job and click on the build now. So the build, so once the build is started, you can see there is a build is started. You can click on this build here, and if you want to see the console of this build, you can see. So this is running. This is running. Yeah. So you can see the logs and what is the going on background. You can see inside the console output. So you can see the job is running. It is downloading the dependencies from the M2 central repository. So yeah, once this is executed successfully, I will go back. Yeah, once this is executed successfully, what you need to do, you are able to see this Cucumber reports here. So you are able to see the Cucumber reports. Okay. So this is the way we can integrate our Selenium project with the GitHub, and then this GitHub we will integrate with the Jenkins to execute our Selenium script. This is the complete process. If you guys more know about the GitHub, Git and Jenkins on theoretical parts, please comment into the comment section. We will create a playlist on it. Okay guys, thanks for listening to me. Yeah, and if you guys have any doubt regarding this one, please comment into the comment section. If I got a time, I will clear your doubts. And yeah, I have also started a new playlist on the Pega in some days. So please support me, share, like and subscribe. Thanks to joining my QA automation with Sony.